Greetings from Tyresö in the beautiful Stockholm region. Well, out on the sea. Yes, baby. After 2 days of checking out Lake Treviken, I'm back at the Baltic Sea in Tyresö. This time on a different spot. This is Notholmen, located in Tyresö. It's an island very close to Tyresö Slott, the Tyresö castle here. And to get to this spot, it took me 20 kilometers with my Cube road bike. It was road most of the way except the last part from the castle to this island that has also a cafe that were many rich people visiting, as I have seen, based on their clothes. As it is kind of a posh neighborhood area, this one, with lots of people having fancy houses out on the sea. I'm here with my flag, as I think that the cover photos are nice when I have the flag in them, as I'm obviously in Sweden. And yes, this is Beach Adventures with Kris. Today, beach day number 26. We have 19 degrees Celsius in the air, and I'm about to see how much it is in the Baltic Sea. So let's see. I think this is the very first time that I am taking a swim on this place, but I have been previously in Notholmen on that side closer to the port as you enter. The water looks so amazing and so clean and clear, and I was really craving some seawater today, so I just thought, let's go to the sea. At first I was a bit hesitant because it was a bit cloudy while I was riding, and I wanted to go to Lake Flatten, but I was like, no way, I need the sea. Today is 3rd of June 2025, a Tuesday. Oh, the sea has warmed up. It is, let's see, 17 degrees Celsius, 17.5, but let's close it up to 17. That's pretty amazing. Super warm, which means that I will be ready for a dip in the Baltic Sea. So let's get going. It looks spectacular indeed. So now the entrance is a bit with slippery rocks, but I'm gonna do my best not to fall. As you can see, beautiful nature all around. So yeah, I was quite surprised that it is 17 degrees Celsius in the air, but the sea has been warmed up from all the warm days we have had. Now let's embrace it and have a dip here at Notholmen in Tyresö. Let's go! Pretty nice. Pretty nice indeed. Here there are some boats passing by that are going to the port. And the bottom here is a bit of muddy type, but the water is so clean and nice. And it is so wonderful sea adventure at Notholmen in Tyresö. Look at this. I just love the sea, and very nice sea view here indeed. It's not that deep here at all, but I do remember there at the side of the port it's a bit deeper. So yes, sunny Tuesday, and I will be traveling to a much warmer than Sweden, so it's gonna be nice. But I'm gonna be missing Sweden, obviously, as I really love the Swedish summer. So yeah, I'm gonna be chilling here today at Notholmen, at this beautiful beach spot out on the Baltic Sea in Tyresö. Cool. And yes, you have also seen the Tyresö Slott, the castle in the beginning that I have stopped to take a few pictures on. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this episode. Cheers, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.